If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these plain slides that I picked up from Five Below into these really pretty pearl embellished slides, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today I'm going to be adding some rhinestones and pearls to these slides. And these little pink slides came from Five Below. And they have like these little square areas on them. So I'm going to go ahead and file them down with my electric drill. If you don't have a drill, don't worry about that because you can just use sandpaper. That's what I did when I didn't have a drill. And this is what it needs, some alcohol to wipe them off. Okay, so you'll start off sanding them down just to get more of a rough surface area. Then you'll just take some alcohol, wipe them off, make sure you have all the grit off of them so that the glue sticks really good. I'm going to be using some B7000 glue, some glue that I have been having people ask me about for quite some time, and I got this glue off Amazon. And I'm just going to start right here in the middle with the pink pearls. I really like how these pearls like really match the exact color of these slides. And I'm just going to kind of go trace out this little square. Now at first my idea that I was going to do was just do the whole slide pink, but I thought that was a little boring. I wanted to add some spice to it, so you'll see later where I went ahead and started to add the white pearls. But these pearls, I believe, are a 6mm pearl, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm just going to use my wax pickup tool, which you can buy on Amazon, or I have them available on my website as well. They help so much just picking up your stones or your pearls, making it so much easier. I know some people like to use tweezers. I don't know how you do it, but this makes it a lot more simple. And I'm just kind of going on the side, and I'm using, I believe these are also 6mm pearls as well, but white. Just to jazz it up and just to do something different. So that's basically all I'm going to do, is just kind of go on the line, space them out, because I did run into some spacing issues. Just kind of space them out. Sometimes it can be a little closer, sometimes it could be a little spread apart, but I just pretty much do this, move them around, fit them together as needed. If you want to go a little extra further with it, you can paint the square white where you're going to use the white pearls, and that probably will look even better. Or if you have multiple size pearls, that would be cool as well. So that's just what I'm going to do. You can just continue to watch me lay these pearls on this shoe. As you can see, it's already like coming together, looking really cute. You would never believe these were $5 once you see the final finished result. Like, these are really, really cute. And these were a size 9 or 10 in women's. So this B7000 isn't too bad, but it does have a little smell. It's not as powerful as E6000 smell, but it's definitely a smell. But what I really do like is the nozzle, how it has that little point. So that does come in handy. Okay, so I'm almost finished, and it really didn't take me too long to do this. Like, once I got started, I want to say I finished this in under 2 hours. pearls are bigger. Well, these aren't like the largest pearls, but pearls tend to be bigger than rhinestones. And I think you can kind of move through using them a little faster than you would smaller rhinestones. But I really think that these will be cute. Any different colored slide that you decide to use, you can either do them all solid one color or you can add multiple colors. Okay, and here is the final finished result of these Five Below slides. Now look what you can do with some little Five Below slides. These are very, very affordable. Anywhere you pick up some little slides, you know, some little kick arounds. Now don't get me wrong, they were kind of cute by themselves, just being pink, because I personally happen to love pink. But just adding on these pearls, I mean, it just really took them to the next level. Rhinestones are cute and they're always a vibe, but it's something about just using pearls sometimes that gives some things like a really elegant, classy look. I don't know, like these can be worn just on an everyday basis, or these can be like maybe some birthday shoes. These can be like some pool shoes that you wear with a cute little pink or white swimsuit and just wear them around the pool. There's so many different reasons why you can make yourself some cute shoes like these. Or they can be some back to school little slides for your daughter. You never know. So let me know what you guys think about these shoes. Would you wear a pair? Would you get a pair from Five Below and add some pearl bedazzles to them yourself? Thanks you guys for watching this video. I hope that you guys did enjoy it. If you did and you'd like to subscribe, be sure to hit that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. And also remember that you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Life is a Whole Vibe. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.